Hi, and welcome to Wrong Way. And this is the unboxing video of the GotWay MCM5 V2. So let me tell you more about it. Wrong Way. Alright, a while back I already did a review of the GotWay MCM5 and not sure if it is in Polish or in English, I still have to check that, but I really like this wheel. And of course, huge thanks to myewheel.com who provided me this electric unicycle for testing purposes. Of course, if you want to get any electric unicycle in Europe, just head on over to myewheel.com, type in the discount code WRONGWAY, and you'll get 5% off. I also do receive a small kickback from these orders. Okay, so let's open it up. The MCM5, all in all, is like I think at least a great beginner unicycle. It has a 800 watt-hour battery right away here. And the things that kept me from recommending it like that much before was like two things. One thing was pedal scraping, because the pedals were really down low. And the second thing was the lack of an integrated Bluetooth speaker. So, guess what they did in the version 2? Yes, they changed the tire and they added a Bluetooth speaker. So we'll see how this goes. Right, still GotWay, not Bigode. And we have side pads. Really nice actually. Nice to the touch. We have a charging brick, which is here. And the charging brick, 84 volt naturally, and 1.5 amps. So how many watts is it here? It's like 120 watts, so I think around 6 hours, 0 to 100%. Yeah, 6-7 hours, something like that. Boom. And here we have the wheel. Sweet. The alien egg is about to emerge from this box. Right. Nice. Boom. Boom. And is there anything more in here? Just the second part of the charger. And everything nice. Blackout pedals, that's also a new thing here. And the sticker is coming off. Yeah, GotWay. I know about the placement of these stickers. But oh well. And right away we can see the tire is way thicker. And because the tire is thicker, the pedals are also up higher. So there won't be as much pedal scraping on the MCM5 V2 as there was on the MCM5. So I'll be really curious to check that out and also compare it to the Tesla, because these pedals, they actually look, yeah, like they're pretty high up off the ground. Let me get the Veteran and show you how high it is really. All right, so here we have the Sherman, and looks about the same, if not higher, on the MCM5. So let me just put them side by side. Yeah, about the same as a Sherman. Also just a bit higher because the pedal angle is sharper on the MCM5, which also gives you like a better grip for turns and a bit more clearance and also grip while riding off-road. Yeah, the difference is like huge, man. It is huge. As high pedals as the Veteran Sherman. Nice. Okay, so now let's check out if it boots, if it turns on at all. Perfect. You can see right away there's also RGB, which is also naturally speed dependent. You can also connect it to EUC World to check out what the charge level is and maybe check out the no load speed. The motor here is a 1500 watt motor in a 14-inch wheel, so that is really powerful actually. And this gives this machine quite a bit of torque, and as we tested before, the MCM5 can actually go up 35-degree inclines, and yeah, it's all in all like a super cool wheel. And top speed is around 40 kilometers an hour. This is what I did before, but I think we can also go faster. Okay, so actually it's 98% battery right now, so we can check no load speed. Let's check it. $60 kilometers an hour, 60.7. So I think, like, you know, going 40 shouldn't be like a bigger issue. So apart from that, we have the usual, you know, GotWay light, which is, I don't know, okay, I guess. Not the brightest, but I think for the speeds you're going with this wheel it's enough. There's also, you know, the blinking setup, and every time you change the light, these presets also change. This is the battery state. There are like 1, 2, and this is the battery state now, and there's also like the turning graphic, animation. So yeah, pretty cool. And there's also a lift sensor on the wheel, so it's easy to carry. It's just 17 kilograms, so pretty easy to carry as well. And has a trolley handle, which is really nice, but it doesn't lock in place. So if you just go around, it tends to just go down by itself. That's just how it is, and it's a bit sharp. That's another thing. But all in all, like this for commuting, for taking it into a bus, that is like really awesome. So that is pretty cool. Grip tape, yeah, looks not too good. Probably it's better to get some vicious grip tape for these pedals. They're quite big, but I think these are the same as on the Tesla, GotWay Tesla, and naturally they're also magnetic. Boom. So they lock in place. So now let's check out if the speaker really does work. Probably it's the same speaker like on the GotWay Tesla. That's at least what I think. Let's scan for it. Come on, little GotWay, show up. Can also hear the ventilator and a wheel. Can't seem to find a wheel. Maybe let's try again. Come on, GotWay music. Okay, so for now, apparently I just can't connect to the Bluetooth speaker, which is interesting to say the least. So I think this will be a feature I will have to, you know, check on later. So yeah, this is the GotWay MCM5 V2, and I'll be testing it out over the next couple days, couple weeks, and we'll check the range, we'll check the performance, and yeah, I'm just really happy to have a smaller wheel at home. It's like really easy to carry into a metro, into a train, or just take on, you know, bigger adventures. And you know, I'll just get the side pads mounted here, and we're all set for the ride. So if you're still here, leave a like on the video, subscribe to see more content like this. I'll see you in the next video. See you soon.